Lovely little Polo GTI in today for a remap. This is a 1.8 TSI. It's about 190 brake in stock form. Not one that we see very often, so we shall see what we actually make when we're tuning it. Using tools such as CMD and winols, and basically taking your brain out and trying to understand all that stuff. But yes, it's not one that we see often, so this will be interesting. We'll let you know how we get on. Gains made across the board, finishing exactly where I'm told is a good mark, which is 231 brake horsepower. Happy days. Another one done.